Recording we start है. Let's start. So today we are in partner function, right? ये थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है. कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मतलब उतना भी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं. So little bit complicated. Pay attention. Like if you learn this properly, you have 3 or 4 complicated configurations like this. Pricing procedure हो गया और message determination हो गया. सब इसके मतलब सिमिलर है. The way of configuring thing or working, the technical point of working, the objects are same. So let's do that. Okay. So partner function. Coming to partner function definition. Anybody can tell me? I think we have completed the definition and some standard partner function we have completed in last class. Configuration part बाकी है. Book में उतना नहीं है. So book से अलग जा रहा है हम आज की क्लास में. Okay. Please pay attention. We are going beyond the book in today's class, and first thing is first. Yesterday Vaibhav has asked me to search for the business partner. He wanted a procedure to search for the business partner. Let's look at that first. How to search? It's very easy. Just a minute, let me reconnect again. Yeah, business partner search is very easy. आप BP रन करना है. Just a minute. Yeah, go to transaction code BP. See, you are right now in the work list. There are two things, right? Work list and find. आपको find में जाना है. You have to go to find, and you know what kind of a BP you have created, right? Person, organization, groups. ये तो आपको याद होगा. Like which one you have selected in the initial stage. So select that one and search term. Either search by name. आपको अगर नेम याद है, नेम के अलावा यू हैव these numbers, like these parameters you can set it up. Number, search term, external number, name, location number, address, identification number, customer number, etc. अगर इधर मैं बीपी सिलेक्ट करता हूँ, आपको बीपी नंबर पता नहीं है, जस्ट समझो बीपी नंबर आई डोंट नो. स्टिल आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग, एनी पैरामीटर मुझे पता ही नहीं है. इसमें नंबर में जाओ, बिजनेस पार्टनर सिलेक्ट करो और स्टार 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 देना. You have to give the star 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 star. Star is an operator in SAP system which tells the system that we are not sure about the number. So it will pick all the number. If I click start, so all the business partner which is there in the system is picked up and shown. Okay, so this is how it works. If you don't know the number, then put stars. Not 5 stars necessarily. 1 star also will work. No worries. So if you know any of these parameters, then you can go through that parameter. Like I have asked for the name and created as an organization. मैं pretty sure था. So name one में मैं क्या डाला? Safe Traders. That was the vendor which Vaibhav has created, and I hit a search term. So I got this. Double click on this. You will get to the page where the business partner general data, company code data, and purchasing data you can maintain again through the roles, the similar to the way we create the BP. So this is how we operate and we change the BP. BP आपको नहीं मिलेगा material management में. That also I will tell you. BP is available with SCM module in S4 HANA. SCM. What do you mean by SCM? Anybody tells me what is SCM full form? यस, सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट. आपको लॉजिस्टिक्स में जाना है. इधर लॉजिस्टिक्स में SCM एक्सटेंडेड वेयरहाउस मैनेजमेंट करके एक मोड होगा, मॉड्यूल. इसमें जाना है एक्सटेंडेड वेयरहाउस मैनेजमेंट. इन दिस मास्टर डेटा, get into the master data. Here maintain business partner. See, this is the transaction BP. This is available, not available in this BP menu path I showed you. This is not available in material management as in ECC. This is available in extended warehouse management. Okay, I don't know why they have given in the extended warehouse management. I need to find out the reason for this. So the menu path is available in extended warehouse management. You cannot find the transaction business partner BP transaction in material management. Material management, still you can find that XK01, MK01. Get to purchasing, not per, yes, master data. In this master data, go to vendor, central, create. So this is XK01. You can see, right, XK01. It is redirecting to BP. But BP as such is not available in material management. This is the specialty of S4HANA. Pay attention for this. Now let's talk about partner function. Partner function meaning to, like we have discussed. So you know the meaning. There are different vendor. Let's recall that again. Just a minute. Yeah, let's recall this again. So what happens in the partner function is, imagine we have a vendor who supplies the goods with vendor number 1000. Okay, he supplies the goods. This is vendor. This vendor uses a delivery partner, that is good supplier. There is one more partner function we have. So good supplier is supplied by the vendor number 1001. This particular vendor is act as a partner for this vendor 1000, and he supplies the goods to us. So there are two vendors. Now I can maintain, SAP provides a functionality that while creating this particular vendor as a partner function, I can add him as well. So like this, I can add him many vendors, many partners I can add. So this is what the meaning of partner function is. So that is, partner function generally shows the relationship between, see, partner function defines the relationship between the different vendors of a particular account group and the function they perform. So this is the meaning of partner function. I have also given the example of Amazon here. We have discussed this already. So Amazon is the vendor, but it uses Blue Dart as a delivery partner. So Blue Dart becomes the partner of the Amazon and can be used in the, while creating Amazon in our system, we can use Blue Dart as a partner function to fulfill the delivery. Okay, so this is what the meaning of partner function is. So अभी configure कैसे करना है? We have to do some configurations. That means first thing is we need to define the partner role. We have decided, like we have seen the what are the standard partner roles available: AZ, alternative payment recipient, CA, contact address. Like this, we have thousands of roles, and we can also create our own role as well. So right now we need to, first thing is we need to have the partner role created, and then again anything you create in SAP system, you need to assign it. Next activity is obviously assignment of partner role to the account grouping. Account grouping. You, if you see the definition here, it is about the talking about the account grouping, right? So we need to assign it to the account grouping, vendor account grouping. We need to assign the partner roles to vendor account grouping. So let's work on this particular requirement. We will be working with the vendor, delivery partner or delivering plant. This is for STO process, and PI, invoicing party. If we want, we can create our own. Otherwise, there is a standard template available for all these. So all these partner role have already been provided by the SAP system as a standard template. We can either copy this, or we can also do the new entry, and we can have our own partner function, partner role defined by using above path. SPRO, AMG, material management, purchasing, partner determination. So define partner roles. इसमें, like we can add our partner function. We will be working with these four partner function. GS is good supplier, that is freight supplier. Both are same. Next, we need to define the permissible partner role per account group. This is what the assignment part I was talking about. Here we are going to assign the partner role to the account groups. partner role to account group. Don't get confused. The schema to account group, that is different. The third activity and the fourth activity is this creation of the schema, determination schema. This means what is schema means in SAP? It is a formula. Okay, some formula we will be using. That formula will be used in purchasing document and other transaction data processing. Transaction data processing, we are going to use this particular formula. So that is what the schema is. Schema, once we define the schema, we need to assign this particular schema to the account grouping. See, we have to assign the partner role to account grouping, then we need to assign the calculation schema or the determination schema to the account grouping. So standard available schema, again I showed you, I will show you in the system L1, L2, L3. There are three partner standard available schemas are already there. That means what is this schema is, it will tell you which partner function to be used while creating a BP with respect to particular account group. So whenever I create a vendor with respect to account group, then if I assign this particular schema to the account group, then that partner function will be pulled into the BP. That also we will see how that is pulled. Next coming, after this we need to bring this partner function not just in the vendor master data, we need to get this partner function into purchasing document as well, purchasing document as well. So again we need to define the schema, again 0002, this is for the standard PO. So this is also schema like L1, L2, L3. This is for the standard PO and we need to assign this schema to the document type. Document type, got it right? What is document type? What is purchase document type? Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, then tell me what
Yes,
is
sir.
document type is. So we will be getting into the system and do it. This is not there in the book. This particular thing is not there in the book. बुक में बस एक पार्ट है पार्टनर रोल डिफाइन परमिसिबल पार्टनर रोल per account group. Yeah, what is the document type? What do you mean by document type? If anybody asks, then what is your answer? Don't tell me that I am your teacher, guys.
Sir, it is a header level document we have maintained at header level.
It tells what it means actually. What do you mean by a document type? Definition of document type.
Different business transactions, which is used to distinguish the different business transactions.
Yeah, Janani, come again.
Used to distinguish between the different business transactions.
Yes. Different business process and business transaction, it distinguishes. The purchasing document is distinguished or group put together as a document types. It works similar to the material type, it works similar to the vendor account type, it works similar to, yeah, that. Okay. Similar attributed purchasing documents are grouped together using a document type. Let's talk about in the purchasing documents. Right now, this is enough. So, shall I get into the SAP system and let's configure this quickly?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just a minute. Okay. So what is the first path? First path is to define the partner role. SPRO. There is T code as well, but I don't use the T code. This is better. Path is better than the T code. So get to material management. This is a clear cut work of a material management consultant. Okay. You will get a question from this in the interview. So don't ignore this particular part. This is very, very important. Get into the purchasing. Yes, just a minute. It's loading. This is due to my internet. Okay, my internet is problem here. I'm not getting a proper Wi-Fi connection. Guys, और कुछ doubt है क्या? Any doubts can be discussed until we get this loaded. Yeah, fine.
सर
Yes.
डॉट नहीं है, मैं सोचा जब तक चल नहीं रहा तो एक बार नोट्स देख लेता क्योंकि वो नोट डाउन करना।
Okay. अभी चल गया 1 मिनट.
ठीक।
Yeah. Here find partner determination. So we are in purchasing. Here you need to find partner determination.
नहीं है।
Can you see this?
यस सर।
Yeah, expand this partner determination. Yeah, अभी बताओ यार.
डिफाइन पार्टनर रोल्स।
Yes, partner roles. Expand this. Here you can see define partner role, maintain language dependent key reassignment. इसमें कुछ करना नहीं है हमें. So we have these two activities. First one is definition of the partner role, and the second one is define the permissible partner role per account grouping. So first define the partner role. Here if you check BN, like get into the position. So these are all the partner function. It's already available in the standard system. Anything with Z or Y, that is somebody created it, but nobody has created any partner function extra. So this is what the partner function creation page is. This is type, that is partner type. We have, see, these are the option we have. These can be the partner types. So it can be a plant, it can be a shipping point, it can be a user, it can be a position, it can be a personal number, it can be an organizational unit. Can you, what do you mean by organizational unit?
सर प्लांट।
नहीं, organizational unit generally. SAP system, like you can leave SAP system aside. Generally, what do you mean by an organizational unit? Something which is related to the business, right?
रिलेटेड टू।
Yeah, related to the business or any other organization per se. For example, अभी पार्लियामेंट ले लो. पार्लियामेंट एक गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हो गया. पार्लियामेंट एक स्पीकर एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल यूनिट हो गया ना पार्लियामेंट में. एक एमएलए एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यूनिट हो गया क्या पार्लियामेंट में? मतलब एमपी एमएलए में ही होता है पार्लियामेंट, right?
यस।
So organizational
Yes.
unit is that entity which has some connection with the organization. So these can be the partner function. Right now we will be working with LI, that is vendor. So code for the vendor is LI. Okay, we are not any working with any customer or any other hierarchy. So we are working with the LI. So you can find so many partner function we have with respect to LI. So go to position, locate your partner function VN, just find VN supplier, it is there. So from this I am copying, and we are going to create our own functions. So Zn करता हूँ supplier underscore test. So do this, but make it a habit to make giving a good description or the naming convention follow karo, so that the persons who will be adding to this particular server or coming and using this server should not be a problem. They should not face a problem as we faced in our server, previous class server, right? So that should not be the case. So this will be used to identify. Abhi Zn. This is first one. Just press enter. So add ho gaya, and you can save this. Fine. Now there are total 4, right? 4 partner function we need. Now I will use new entry. Now the function is good supplier. Instead I use ZF. I will call it as a freight supplier. Freight supplier underscore test. Okay, type will be Partner type will be, what will be the partner type?
Alike.
LI. So we are working with only LI. Okay. Now there is one more field called unique, right? ये यूनिक कर लिया तो क्या हो गया, क्या हो जाता है यूनिक में? I will tell you, if I click this unique, then it has to be a different vendor. It cannot be the same vendor. BP create करते वक्त, like if I add this partner function, whatever the vendor number came, if the same vendor performs all these activity, we can use the same name. But if I click on the unique, it has to be different number. So that is the function of unique. Let's see that. Okay. So then ZF, then invoicing party, ZI. I will take it invoicing party underscore test. ऊपर भी टेस्ट लिखना था. या फील्ड में मतलब we don't have much location in that field. Okay, character limitation. Fine. LI. So that's it. And one more we have already added. So 3 we have added. One more we need. What is one more code? Just a minute. Let me check. Yeah, delivering plant. Yeah, right now no need. That's enough as of now. So simply you can save this. That's it. Now come back. All your entries should be populated in this particular table. ZN, let's see. ZN is there. So ZI is there, ZF is there. Got it? So all three partner function is available. Right? So one is like unique clicked, another two unique is not there. Now come back. So next is define permissible partner role per account group. अभी account group को assign करना है. So which account group shall I assign? See, our entry is not there here. So what we need to do now? Go to new entry, function ZN. It's not there because we have not done the assignment. Yeah, tell me the group name. Which group shall I use? ZABC use करे क्या?
Yes, ZABC.
Yes.
Okay, let's use ZABC, ZN, ZI and ZF, right?
ZF.
Yeah, assign this ZABC.
Sir, this group is created as a vendor account.
Yes,
ना?
vendor account group create करके आप assign किया हुआ है ना, वही.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, the same group. ZABC. That is the second next level configuration we are doing. Okay, that was level 1. BP creation हो गया, उसमें partner function अलग से कर रहा है. Now all the things came. So save this and save the CR. Come back and see the table. Position में जाओ, ZN, or you can also give the vendor account group. That is ZABC. ZABC, you will get all the entries. Okay, fine. It's not coming. ZN. Yeah, you can see the table has been populated with our entries. So configuration is correct. What is next? What next? So we need to create the schema. Expand this. Define partner schema for supplier master record, then assign the schema. This is one thing. And then second schema we need to create for the purchasing document, then assign it to document type. So 4 activities abhi karni hai. So first activity, let's get into the schema. L1, L2, L3, L4, SUPL, ZL. ZL I have already created this test schema. ये ZL add करने की like method कुछ भी नहीं है. You can simply, I will delete this. To activate the delete, what I need to do? I need to save this. So these are the standard available schemas. Go to new entries, create ZL, test schema. Then save it. Once it is saved, just come back. This table has to be populated with your entry. Now select this. You need to define the formula. I told you formula, right? The schema is something formula. That formula you need to provide. Otherwise, how the system is going to take? This is just a line. Now I am going to provide the formula. Where I am going to provide the formula? In the second folder. You can see here dialog structure mein partner function in procedure. Double click, then you will get this particular table. Here, go to new entries, function ZN, which is already available. Again, see all search result. If I go for this, ZN will be there in this particular table. Again, it is not there. Fine. Let me check. Yeah, it is there. So ZN, ZI, and ZN, ZI, and ZF. Okay. Now coming to this particular no change and ZF किधर है? Okay, leave it. यस अभी नो चेंज एंड मैंडेटरी इधर नो चेंज में क्लिक किया तो चेंज अलो नहीं होगा लाइक द फील्ड विल बी ग्रेड आउट यू कैन सी द नेम इन बीपी क्रिएशन purchasing data the field will be simply grayed out. If I make it mandatory, that means mandatorily you need to provide the number. Okay, I click no change and mandatory for vendor. Rest of the two things I don't make it mandatory, so everything came. This is what the formula is. These three will be pulled into BP subscreen, that is purchasing data screen, whenever I create a BP with the grouping ZFC. That we will check after assignment, not now. Okay, purchasing document we can leave for today's class. Get into the purchasing order, the purchase orders. There we can discuss again. So right now let's concentrate on the vendor master data or supplier master data. Now we need to assign this partner schema to account grouping. EKORG मतलब क्या होगा? What do you mean by EKORG?
EKORG organization होगा सर.
Purchase organization. EKORG means purchase organization. VSR. What do you mean by VSR? Next topic is VSR. We will discuss about VSR. PLT is plant. Okay. So find our account grouping. What is our account grouping? ZABC. So ZABC in front of that. So purchasing organization, give ZL. ZL. So we have only defined one schema. You can give ZL everywhere. That's it. Now save this. Assignment is done. Okay. Let's check in the BP now. So new session. Go to transaction BP. Organization. Grouping ZABC. Where is ZABC? Guys, it's not fine. It's not there. Oh, BP grouping क्या था भाई? ZABC. Mayank, your group, right?
सर ये होगा शायद. I think ZBPC.
शायद नहीं, पक्का चाहिए.
सर मैं कैपिटल में लिखता हूँ सब, तो I think वही होगा.
Test BP group. Sure हो?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, fine. Let's try. Now, company, title, name. Okay. Search term. Postal code. City. Country. And then language. There is language.
English.
वो फील्ड सेटिंग में कुछ किया क्या?
नहीं सर.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं. Let's check for the error. Document is error free. Click on save. BP has been created 1001. Number correct है क्या? This is the same number we have used for BP grouping. मयंक, आपको बताना है. Okay, fine. Next. Next step, guys. Don't keep quiet.
Supplier fin accounting.
Sir, supplier fin accounting.
FLV and
FLVN 00. Yes. Here. Again, check for the error. No need to do any changes. We need a language key
Sir.
here. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, company code.
Company code, correct. Company code 1710 for time being. Recon account 1710 recon account. How to select recon account?
1600.
160000.
1710 में work नहीं होता हो.
No sir, payable domestic.
Payable domestic.
Yes.
This one.
Okay, sir. Yes sir.
Okay. So next, check for the error
Yes.
and save it. So what will be the vendor number?
1006.
1006. Please do this. Do note this number. Now,
Change supplier.
yes.
So it is recorded, na?
Yeah, it is getting recorded.
Okay.
FLVN01.
Supplier.
Supplier. Get to purchasing.
Purchasing.
Purchase organization. Same 1710.
1710.
Yes. Order currency. US dollar.
Industry.
Maybe. अभी पेमेंट टर्म.
सर इसमें एक क्वेश्चन ये है कि हमने जो कंपनी का करेंसी रखा है अभी जीबीपी रखा है तो इसमें कोई भी करेंसी हम फिल कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, कोई भी फिल कर सकते हो क्योंकि ये ऑर्डरिंग करेंसी है. ऑर्डरिंग करेंसी आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से रिलेटेड नहीं होगा ये.
ओके
INR भी कर सकते हो.
ओके सर.
ओके, पेमेंट टर्म. पेमेंट टर्म कॉन्फ़िगरेशन पता है क्या किसी को? हाउ टू कॉन्फ़िगर पेमेंट टर्म? So tomorrow I want you to explain all this. How to configure payment term. I will show you in the book where it is available. Just go through them, try to configure and tell me how can I configure as well. Okay. So payment term, Incoterm version, and then what we have next? Salesperson tomorrow. Who will explain? First one, payment term, Incoterms. These two things I want you to explain. Who will explain?
Sir, I will try.
Okay, fine. Next, coming to control data, ABC indicator, shipping condition, JR based invoice, grant of free goods. Who will explain this? Fourth,
Sir, I can try.
Mayank.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then additional control data. Who will explain half of this? Josh, will you take half of this?
Sure, sir.
Yeah, first half Josh, second half Janani.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, additional purchasing data, Sujata. You half, I will half. I will take the half. Okay, that's it. So coming to partner functions. See, ZN was mandatory किया था ना?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's why it is coming already. And the number you can see, the same number, right? No change में click किया था, so that is the effect of this. Assigned business
Sir,
partner number.
mandatory नहीं किया होता तो फिर मतलब कहाँ से
हाँ,
कैसे सेलेक्ट
मतलब
करना?
ये टेबल में नहीं आता, आप यूज कर सकते हो जब भी अकाउंट ग्रुपिंग में वेंडर अकाउंट ग्रुपिंग और असाइंड बीपी ग्रुपिंग से आप वेंडर क्रिएट कर रहे हो तब यूज कर सकते हो, मैंडेटरी नहीं है तो। ओके, मैंडेटरी एंड नो चेंज इज अलाउड, it's all system. Okay, so if I
सर
want
हमने
to
बाकी
add more, then I can add it. Z I, then I can add it and I can give the number. Same number if I give, system don't have any problem because same vendor invoicing party is also same. So that is the
सर हमने
meaning of it.
उसमें मैंडेटरी टिक नहीं किए थे और तो इसी
एक ही
कारण की वजह
मैंडेटरी
से
किया
यहाँ
था,
पे
Z डन एक ही मैंडेटरी
हाँ
किया
एक
था।
मैंडेटरी किया
तो
था।
इसी कारण की वजह से वो यहाँ पे आया नहीं ना सर ऑटोमेटिकली,
यस,
जिसको हमने टिक नहीं किया था।
पिक नहीं किया, ऑटोमेटिकली आ रहा है। मैंडेटरी करने के बाद ऑटोमेटिकली नहीं आ रहा है
ओके,
वो, या मैंडेटरी करने के बाद ये नो चेंज और
ऑटोमेटिक
मैंडेटरी। नो चेंज का मतलब होता है आप नहीं चेंज कर सकते, कुछ भी नहीं चेंज कर सकते, जो भी सिस्टम बताया है बस, नो चेंज। बट इसमें आप नंबर चेंज कर सकते हो। नाउ आई वांट टू ऐड डिफरेंट वेंडर एज अ इनवॉइसिंग पार्टी, देन आई कैन डू इट। वैभव, आपका वेंडर नंबर क्या था कल का?
सर 1000115
नहीं नहीं,
01
वो नहीं, ये 1710 के लिए क्रिएट किया हुआ वेंडर है क्या किसी का?
सर 105020 आई
वन
थिंक
जीरो फाइव जीरो टू जीरो
20
ये 1710 के लिए है ना?
यस
अभी एरर हो रहा है, ये एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता है। LFA1 में ये एंट्री होना चाहिए, ठीक है, वेंडर होना चाहिए हमारा, वेंडर नंबर अवेलेबल होना चाहिए, देन ओनली द सिस्टम विल अलो यू टू एंटर द नंबर। अभी 1006 अभी अभी क्रिएट हुआ है, सो नो एरर विल बी देयर। फाइन, सो वी कैन आल्सो यूज डिफरेंट वेंडर नंबर। इफ वी यूज डिफरेंट वेंडर नंबर दैट मीन्स इनवॉइसिंग पार्टी वो हो गया। So what was our third? That is ZF, right? So 1006. All three are the same parties now, right? Same vendor. All three functions are performed by the same vendor. इसका मतलब ये होता है, इधर vendor number दूसरा लगा दो and you will get the different vendor for all these activities. So this is the meaning of partner function. Now coming to vendor subrange. What is vendor subrange? अभी subrange एक्टिवेट नहीं हुआ है, so subrange एक्टिवेट करने के लिए हमको ये करना पड़ता है। एक मिनट, आपको शो करता हूँ। पहले आप बताओ vendor subrange क्या होता है। So same vendor है, just imagine there is a vendor who supplies different products, who deal in electronics। ये जेठालाल हो गया, जेठालाल का पता है ना, गड़ा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स। So that Jetalal supplies all the electronic item, TV, fridge, washing machine, computer, speaker, everything. So Jetalal is the main vendor and his sub-range will be TV is sub-range, speakers are his sub-range, and the washing machine, fridge, etc. is his sub-range. So this is vendor sub-range functionality. Same vendor supplies different goods. That is, if you activate that kind of a functionality, then it is vendor subrange. And this is not that important in the interview. They will ask only the definition part of it and how do you activate this. Only these two things are very important. How do you activate this? This is again activated by the FI side, not from the MM side. OMSG is the T code we can use. Directly it will go to supplier account group, but if I double click on this, it is different from what we have created already. So this is coming from logistics general side. That path also we will use now. If I double click on this, you will realize like what it is exactly. Okay, see, these are our groups. If I double click on this, see, these are the functionality control function we have. These are the field status. Okay. Then if I want to activate vendor subrange, then I click on this vendor subrange relevant. See, if you see this particular page, this is grayed out. I can't do anything. I can't add any vendor subranges because it is not activated. Now it is activated. Just a minute. Let me open that. Yeah. Now it is activated. अभी सेव करो, activate हो गया. Got it? See, you can see the schema ZL, 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 where it is coming from. We haven't minted, but still it is coming from, right? By default it came. Where it is coming from, this ZL?
सर अभी हमने किया है ना
Yeah,
सर
just now
जो
we have
वेंडर
did it,
बुक
right?
था
Yeah,
उसमें
just
3
now we
वैल्यू
have
एंटर
did
किए थे
it.
हमने.
Yeah. So from there it is coming. Now coming to field status, purchasing sub-range, sub-range purchasing data, sub-range usage. See here again it is optional entry. Business partner assignment is a optional entry, and sub-range purchasing data. We have so many things. Nothing but a purchasing data, right? If you see clearly, purchase order currency, terms of payment, incoterm, minimum order value, all these things we have already just divided. Who will explain it tomorrow, right? So that is that data it talks about. So each and everything we can maintain this purchasing data even in the sub-range functionality. So how to activate sub-range? OMSG T code. There is a checkbox. Click on that checkbox. Save your configuration. Sub-range is activated. That's it. Fine. So how to get into this path? SPRO, IMG, Logistics General, Logistics General. Find business partner here. Yeah, find the business partner. It is here. Expand business partner. Here, get into the supplier. Or yeah, vendor is not there in the HANA. So get into the supplier. Here, define account group and field selection. So click on this and double click on your account group or go to new entries. You will be presented with more control function available table. So from here actually the vendor account group is getting created. Fine. If you want to create from the purchasing side, more on the configuration is more towards purchasing side, then we use this particular path. Fine. So here we need to activate the vendor sub-range. Got it? Any doubts till now? Yeah, that's
No,
it.
sir.
Yeah, let's get back to the BP. Just a minute, let's get back to the BP. Yeah. So partner function is also working fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's it. Interchangeability, let's discuss in the further processes, not now. So vendor texts. If I want to add some text here, purchase order text हो गया, आपको purchasing memo मिलता है, so all these things are there, right? ID 001, 002, 001, 002. So if I want to add 003 here, is there any way? Is it possible? Is it possible?
एडिट टेक्स्ट.
Edit text. Okay. Then choose valid line. Here you can edit the text which is already there, but I want to add the ID. Is it possible?
नो सर.
Configuration में possible है while. So we need to get into the configuration. See, here we can add the text. Okay. So आपको like you can see this is a Word file, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is configured from the ABAP side. So change the purchasing memo. So like this, ABAPer will configure this. So no need to get into the details of this particular thing. ID also we can add it from the configuration side. If you want, I will give you the path. Just give me a second. Okay, fine. Tomorrow I will get you the path. I think this is also not there in the textbook. Yeah, we can add these IDs from our end. Okay, we can add these IDs. No worries. So we can also maintain the text. Now coming to the country or the region. So from which country, maybe like one functionality become very famous after some problem with the China Indian side. So e-commerce companies, whoever selling the goods, they need to specify the country of origin. So there again, SAP provides this particular functionality, which country that particular vendor is supplying from, and also we can maintain the supply region. These two are again the technical object which are already defined in the SAP system. So we can get country of origin or country region we can maintain here. India. Again, this is a key supply region. We can also maintain 30 or something. Let's see. Okay, so it does not exist. Again, this is a technical object. IN, I think IN should exist. IN also not exist here. Fine. So ये configure करना पड़ता है country or region. Let's find India. ID. India is not there. Yeah, IN. It is there. Select from here. And supply region is also two-digit key, I guess. No values. So you can leave it blank. That's it. So save this. Supply region. Specify the supply region for the country. Download. Yeah, let's remove this because it is not configured. Yeah, that's it. Now save. So with this, we have completed the business partner. Tomorrow, purchasing data will be completed, and tomorrow there will be a interview questions and PIR and source listing. Okay, so this is tomorrow's class. Now coming to the textbook, what you need to cover, where you need to cover. So you need to cover each and everything which is available in the purchasing data. Let me open the textbook. गेट टू बिजनेस पार्टनर में आपको बुक में उतना डिटेल में है नहीं related partner function and other configuration. So this video will be like your one-stop solution. So first 6 activity, again, that is not required interview point of view. Assigning the number range, you can all everything you can simply leave out. No need to worry about even the configuration path, etc. When it comes to business partner, you need to know the meaning of it. What is the business partner, and you need to know why the account grouping is used and what is the use of account grouping. Partner function आपको full you need to know completely in and out about the partner function, and vendor sub range also you can just know the definition of it. Coming to this CVI part of configuration is important, and important for the interview. Whatever I am telling you, that is important for the interview. Now after CVI, get to the purchasing. BP type is not important. Partner function, please go through this particular theory. This is important. Theory is important. Understand this, and vendor sub-range functionality as well. Again, these three line is important. Only these three line is enough, and a path, transaction and the path, if you know, if you want to know, that's it. Again, in the interview this will not have any significance. Now coming to BP general data, it's not at all required. You can simply leave out and go forward. No need to worry about these things at all. No need, you can completely leave it. Then once BP general data completes, extending the business partner as a FI vendor, again you can leave out, no worries. Vendor account management, you should know about recon account. Just note down guys these things, okay? Recon account is important. You should know about recon account, and that's it. Yeah, cash management group, if you want to know cash management group, that is not so important if you want to know for extra information. Then coming to the payment terms, yeah, this is important. Vendor payment transaction, here payment terms is important. This is FI side, this is not MM side. MM side payment terms is different. What we use, both are, the functionality of both is same, object is same, the key is same, but still there are two things, two different payment terms we can maintain. So only payment terms is important, not for not anything else. Payment terms, then payment block. Payment block is important. Then yeah, vendor correspondence you can leave out, no worries. Then coming to, yeah, these are all things we can simply leave out, no need to worry at all. Then extending business partner for purchasing, this particular part is very very important. So this is what your interviewer interested to know about. That too not everything. Again, order currency, incoterms, then supplier schema group, price date control, order optimum restriction, goods receipt based invoice verification. See, all these things are purchasing data. Your importance in the BP, that is chapter 6, will start from here. Until then, nothing is important. Only thing I have made some 2-3 subheadings are important. Apart from that, nothing is important. Your part will start from 6.5.3. This full thing is completely important. You should know in and out. This much. Again, you can leave the sales data. You can leave the sales data, and maintaining BP relationships. Again, you can leave out. No worries. Yeah, that's it. So 6.5.3 section is important. So 2 to 3 pages of the textbook is important. Clear? That's it. That is what required for the interview, not anything else. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So with
सर
this,
एक
yeah,
हेलो
yeah,
सर
man.
एक सजेशन है क्या, जो आप ये स्क्रीन एक बार विजिबल करते हो ना, इसको क्या कहते हैं, ये थ्री डॉट्स है, मोर ऑप्शंस है ना, आप थोड़ा जूम कर सकते हो, बट रिकॉर्डिंग में ना ये थोड़ा छोटी आती है साइड पे।
ये क्या बोला, एक और बार रिपीट करो।
सर ये जो स्क्रीन है ना साइड पे विजिबल होती है, जिस पे भी हम सब वर्क करते हैं
हाँ हाँ
मिलके,
हाँ,
तो ये स्क्रीन थोड़ा सा छोटा आता है जब आप इसको रिकॉर्डिंग में वहाँ अपलोड करते हैं ना, तो ये इधर से थ्री डॉट्स है, यहाँ से ना मोर ऑप्शन से ना जूम हो जाती है थोड़ी सी।
ओके।
तो
अभी क्या करना है मुझे, मोर ऑप्शंस जाना है इसमें।
हाँ,
मोर ऑप्शन करके कुछ भी नहीं है, होस्ट कंट्रोल है।
हाँ सर, नीचे नीचे डाउन साइड पे मोर ऑप्शन है, जिधर हैंड रेज हैंड के
ये
साइड में। हाँ इस पे,
इधर इधर। ओके।
यस सर,
हाँ, इसमें
इसमें
चेंज
इसमें
लेआउट।
चेंज लेआउट में।
ओके,
सो इसमें आप ये
ये साइड बार कर दो।
स्पॉटलाइट, स्पॉटलाइट।
ओके, स्पॉटलाइट। ठीक है, मैं कल से ध्यान रखूंगा। या गॉट इट।
एंड देन आप आपका जो टैब है इसको आप ना
या
साइड
ये
से
मिडल आ
मिनिमाइज कर
जाता है
सकते हो
मेरा।
थोड़ा सा।
या गॉट
नहीं, आप
इट।
इसको पिन से ना साइड से मिनिमाइज भी कर सकते हो, इसको छोटा भी कर सकते हो, आप अपना होम व्यू है जो।
ओके, अभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स में क्लिक करूँ तो ये पेज आ जाता है। या
हाँ ये पेज है।
गॉट इट, गॉट इट। थैंक्स मयंक, थैंक्स फॉर द इंफॉर्मेशन। Yeah, so this is about today's class. So get ready for the next day and all the things. Okay, whoever responsible for these things, go through the textbook. If you are not understanding anything, please let me know. Like I will explain it. Okay, let me know. I will take it in the class. I will explain it.
सर
Yeah.
फाइनल एफआई सेट से हमारा सारा सेटिंग ओवर हो गया, अभी कोई वीडियो अपलोड होना है।
हाँ नहीं, एफ आई सेट्स के हमारा पूरा सेटिंग ओवर हो गया। एसेट अकाउंटिंग बाकी है, मैं वो देख लूंगा, वो बीच में आएगा। अभी में हम एमएम में कंसंट्रेट कर सकते हैं हमारा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से। ठीक है, वी कैन यूज अवर, यू कैन फ्री टू यूज योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। फेसिंग एनी प्रॉब्लम, लेट मी नो विद द स्क्रीनशॉट। ओके, जस्ट पोस्ट इट इन द ग्रुप विद द स्क्रीनशॉट। आई विल एड्रेस दैट पर्टिकुलर एरर। फाइन।
ओके सर।
या, एनीथिंग एल्स? तो मंडे EWM स्टार्ट करता हूँ मंडे से। सो आई विल एड्रेस दैट। मे बी आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू टेक EWM पार्ट इन द लाइव क्लास। Let's discuss how it happens. I'm working on it. So today I have ordered the textbook. I will get it by, I don't know, by Monday I'm getting it or not. Just let me check.
Tomorrow class person.
What?
Tomorrow class person.
Janani, your voice is not that legible. Can you repeat?
सर शी इज आस्किंग अबाउट क्लास।
Tomorrow.
tomorrow's class,
Yeah,
yes.
of course. Tomorrow class is there. That's why I told you I distributed all the topic that will be done in tomorrow. And tomorrow you have BP configuration interview class. So there are so many things to be done tomorrow. And tomorrow it will be. I will start the class by 8 o'clock, and it will run till 10. So we will be completely like completing the business partner tomorrow. With this we have completed master data, material master, and the business partner. So in tomorrow's class only we are going to complete source list and PIR also, which is a short topic related interview question right from material master. Okay, so get ready for that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, tomorrow is Friday, no?
Yes sir.
Yeah, that's why she is
Sir.
asking. Okay, please adjust for this week now, because we are lagging behind the timetable. So let's get it done tomorrow, and maybe Saturday as well. I don't know. Saturday I will update. Tomorrow I will update about the Saturday.